Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see the credit cooperative part 5. So, just have a look. So, from the customer, if I go to the all list, here I have created few members. So, minimum 7 and maximum 21 members needed for cooperative society. Now, let's search one customer, let's say F-8. So let's go to the passbook. So here you can see one recurring RD deposit is there. Now let's say one customer wants to create loan. So let's say 10,000 amount of 2% interest monthly, let's say 10 months. So I will calculate here and just save this. So loan number 7 is saved. Now the same customer wants the deposit. So I will go to the saving deposit. Let's say the saving deposit of yearly 7%. Just save this. So deposit 17. So let's say D-17. So here I am adding the customer is depositing 5,000 to the saving deposit account. So 5,000 deposited. Now here in the ledger I have added saving transfer account ledger. This is saving account transfer. Now if I search customer F-8, so I will go to the saving account. I will go to the loan account, loan number 7. Now let's say this amount, first installment is due. Now customer want to receive saving account transfer. Customer want to give this EMI from his saving account. So the merchant can do, he can select the saving account transfer and just receive the amount. So now we can check the installment tracker. Here you can see one installment is received successfully. And if I go to the transaction, first installment you can see received successfully. Now let's go to the deposit account and let's check with the deposit. So D-17. So here you can see deposited 5,000 but 1,000 is withdrawal. So 1,007 is transferred to the loan EMI. Here you can see by saving account transfer, saving 17 to loan number 7. So this type we can transfer easily, we can connect deposit and loan each other very easy way. So we can manage credit cooperative society also very easy way. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Have a great day.